Along with the Design Plus sidebar, there is another tool you can use to help build your Canvas course. It is called the Multi-tool. It can be found in your Canvas course navigation menu, but is usually hidden. To make it visible, click on Settings in your Canvas course navigation menu. At the top of the page, click on the Navigation tab. Scroll down until you see the Multi-tool. Click on the three-dot icon next to it and select Enable. Alternatively, you can click and drag the Multi-tool up into the currently active navigation links. Make sure you click Save. The Multi-tool should now show in your Canvas course navigation menu. Go to the menu and click on Multi-tool. As its name would indicate, the Multi-tool is made up of several different tools and features. Click on Module Builder. There should be a section labeled New Modules, and underneath it, New Module Pattern. By clicking on the buttons under Add Items, you can build a module pattern by adding assignments, discussions, pages, and quizzes. For now, let's add a page, a discussion, an assignment, and a quiz. Once they have been added, click on the drop-down menu that says Blank Page. This will show you a list of any pages you have created, including your template pages. Select the desired template page. Repeat this process to select template assignments, discussions, and quizzes. You can use the drag handles to rearrange content within the module pattern. At this point, you can choose a label for your modules if desired, using the module prefix drop-down. Next, select how many modules you would like to create using this pattern. Finally, indicate what you would like the module starting number to be. When you are ready, click on Generate Module List. This will generate an outline for the number of modules you indicated following the module pattern. You can name your modules, rearrange and rename content within individual modules, or add additional content to individual modules. Your module outline will save within the Multi-tool. Note that if you are inactive for 2 weeks, the module outline will be deleted. If you're not ready to build out your modules yet, or need to go and adjust one of your template pages, you can leave the Multi-tool at this point. When you are ready, come back to the Multi-tool and click on the button that says Add Modules to Course. The modules you just created should appear under an existing modules section in the Module Builder above the New Modules section. You can always return to this page to make quick edits to your modules. You can use the drag handles to reorder your modules. When you click on a module to expand it, you can rename or renumber your modules. You can also rearrange items within modules and add items by using the drag handles and the Add Items buttons. When you are done, click on the blue button that says Update this module. Now go to Modules in your Canvas course navigation. You should see the modules you created using the Multi-tool. Since you used your templates to populate the modules in the Multi-tool, each module page should already be preloaded with content from your templates. Note, if you change a template page after you create your modules, created module pages based on that template page will not update to match it. Now you can add specific course content to each page. Fill in the content blocks, label them appropriately, and add other elements such as images, videos, tables, and any other desired content. Refer to earlier videos for instructions on how to add media and other elements. Now that you have modules, you can add a module list to your home page if desired. Click on Home in the Canvas navigation bar. Once you reach your home page, click on Edit and open the Design Plus sidebar. Click in the RCE where you would like to add the module list. Then go to the Add New Elements tab and select Module List. This will generate the module list and switch you to the Edit Current Element tab in the sidebar with the module list icon selected. This element has a preview drop-down you can refer to, since it will not display in the RCE exactly as it will in the student view. If the module list appears blank, it may be because it is only displaying published modules and you haven't published any yet. Under the Content drop-down in the sidebar, you can set the module list to display all module links, including ones that are not published, by clicking on the I button. Clicking on the Check button will only display links to modules that are published. You can also manually set module links to be visible or invisible. You can choose if you want a module to be set as the active module for your students. Active modules appear differently to students in the module list, usually highlighted or with the link text a darker color. You can make the first uncompleted module the active module, or you can set the active module manually. You can also determine the active module by date. To do this, click on the calendar icon. Now click in the box next to the calendar icon that is under the first module and set the date range that you would like it to be active. If desired, you can click on the down arrow icon, which will copy the module active range pattern to the modules below it. This means that the starting date of the next module will be the day after the last module ended, and that all modules will be the same number of days. To keep modules from starting on different days of the week throughout the course, make the initial module length 7 days or a multiple of 7. You may choose a custom icon for each module by clicking on the Icon Picker button next to the I button by each module name in the sidebar. Under the Style drop-down, you can choose if your module list displays as a basic list, a large link grid, or a large item group. You can also determine the default color of the links, the color of the active module link, and the color when a student hovers over a link. There are several additional options you can toggle on and off in the Advanced drop-down. For example, you can determine if completed and locked modules show a corresponding completed or locked icon. You can also make it so that quick links to the content for the active or current module are visible on the home page. Or you can have quick links show for all of the modules. Or whatever module is currently selected in a list. Note that these quick links are available in the browser only and not on mobile. Finish adding your content and pat yourself on the back for using the Design Plus tools to make a basic course in Canvas.